Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your card with Wells Fargo. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and now in the address bar simply type in confirmcard.wellsfargo.com and press enter. This will take you into the official website for Wells Fargo where you can directly activate your card. Now since you will directly be taken to the activation page, all you need to do is type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your 16-digit card number and this will expand further menus. You will then be asked to enter your CVV, your date of birth, and your social security number. So just type in your CVV number followed by your date of birth. Then simply type in the last 4 digits of your social security number or the tax identification number. Then you can simply click on the confirm button and your card with Wells Fargo will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Wells Fargo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.